Okay, this is the return order from Lazada. Okay. Okay, the reason here is item does not working properly. Return by order number. This one the order number. Okay. So I will open this. Okay, the customer name is Meharov Kalatil. Okay, this is the stuff. Okay, so this is the receiver or decoder. This one the satellite dish. Okay, I will test it now. Okay, so this is from the decoder. Okay, I will switch on decoder. Okay, this will start very soon. Okay, we can see the device is start up. I can switch up the light now. Okay, and I put the connector from the dish. Okay, you can see it working. Okay, working very good. So how this customer claim that this device is faulty? This device is not faulty, but the user don't know how to use it. It is not seller's mistake, but it is customer mistakes. Thank you for my video.